Hundreds of buildings and millions of square feet of roof leaks are being solved for school districts, colleges, and municipalities, all at the exact same time throughout California. All because facilities managers have been frustrated for their entire careers, and they all have one thing in common. Everyone hates roof leaks. Nearly 100 public agencies did their due diligence. They talked with their peers and they asked the hard questions. They chose seamless. They made the decision to buy the strongest roof ever made and a roof that lasts the longest. Facilities managers aren't interested in the next new thing. They care that the buildings that they manage have a roof that's designed to last for the lifetime of the building, all while being limited on funding sources. When we ask someone why they chose WeatherWeld to install on their buildings, they tell us that WeatherWeld just makes sense. They tell us that it's strong, durable, and they can't understand why the rest of the industry makes thin plastic roofs that have seams. So here we are, doing the exact same thing that we've done every day for 35 years. Helping building owners and facilities managers eliminate the roof leaks on their buildings for a lifetime.